Hi everybody. Today I'll show you how to change name on Instagram. So let's begin. Alright, so as you can see here that we are already inside our Instagram profile. So what we have to do here is pretty simple. We have to tap on edit profile, and from here you can see the option of name. So we can simply tap on that. Now we are able to change our name on the Instagram. So I'm gonna simply change the name here. So I'm gonna write down Bravo first, and I'm gonna write down Johnny. I'm going to simply tap on the check icon here, click on change name. And you have to remember one thing here, that you can only change your name for 2 times within 14 days. So I'm going to tap on change name. And now you'll be able to see that we have changed our name on Instagram. So if I go back now into our profile, you will be able to see the updated name here. So this is how we can change name on Instagram. So if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel.